Welcome to Teach You Academy. This is for educational purpose only. Sorry about that. This is for educational purpose only. So we're going to talk about budgeting and debt management guide. You want to track your income. You want to list all income sources, your job, your side gigs, rental, passive income. Use gross income for planning, but note net income for cash flow. List all expenses, fixed expenses. That includes your rent, mortgage, utilities, insurance, loan payments. Variable expenses, groceries, gas, entertainment. Irregular expenses, annual fees, holiday spending, estimate monthly average. You want to categorize needs versus wants. Needs essential for living, housing, food, utilities, and transportation. Wants are non essential, subscriptions, dining out, shopping. Apply the 50/30/20 rule, which is optional. 50% is needs, 30% is wants, 20% savings, and debt repayment. Create a debt repayment plan. Snowball method. Pay smallest balance first for quick wins. You got your avalanche method. Pay highest interest rate first to save money. Always pay at least the minimum on all debts. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months on expenses. Start with $5 to $1,000 to avoid new debt during emergencies. Automate your finances. Set up an auto pay for bills to avoid late fees. Automate transfers to savings and debt repayments. Negotiate bills and interest rates. Call creditors for lower rates or hardship programs. Shop around for cheaper insurance or utilities. Review and adjust monthly. Check budget progress. Adjust spending if debt payoff or savings are off track. Use tools and apps. Budgeting, you got Mint, you got YNAB, you got Every Dollar, and your debt tracking. Um, you got journals and planners, and the summary. Want to track your income, list all expenses, categorize needs versus wants, apply the 50/30/20 rule, optional, create a debt repayment plan, build an emergency fund, automate your finances, negotiate bills and interest rates, review and adjust monthly, and you can use tools and apps. And if you need journals, you can go to Marketplace Digital Products, and you have in the digital products deluxe section, PLR and your MRR, which gives you license for all kind of planners and digital products in this section right here that you can, some you can resell, some you can't, but here's a list of other digital products they have on their site. So go to that site, check it out. The link will be in the description below. Y'all have a good day, and like I said, this was for educational purpose only.